So to set up a portfolio in Dragonfly Workshops, you're first going to want to create a portfolio outline and in a Google Doc. And so that's what I'm showing you here. This is just a made up portfolio Google Doc. And one thing you can do that's kind of neat in Google Docs is you can highlight your title, and then you can go up here and just have that listed as your title. You can have your introduction. Usually people might go with heading 2, or sorry, heading 1. Moving on down, you might have other sections, and these are going to correlate to the sections in your portfolio. So as you're doing this, you might have some subsections, which would be heading 2, and I'll explain why I'm doing this in just a second. And I'll just finish up these two. So under each of these, you would be writing a paragraph or two of text under each of these sections and subsections. You would be gathering different projects from your past work, and not all of it might fit exactly in this title that I have here, this fictitious title. That's okay. You can include some other things. You can talk about your progression in general. But once you have that, your general layout, you're going to be able to look over here at the outline, and this is going to be what you'll use to get your portfolio going. So in Dragonfly Workshops, you'll go to Portfolios on the left-hand side, and when you click on that, you're going to see all the different portfolios that have been published through time. You can also search for different topics, but you're going to go to Created by Me and create a new portfolio. So here it's going to ask for a title, and again, going back here, now you've got it all laid out. You can just copy and start to move things into your portfolio. And you can change these, of course, later on. But once you create it, you are all set to start adding sections. And so again, going back, the first thing we have is an introduction. Create the section. And then you're going to create another section. You see the next one is Understanding Community Gardens. Create the section. And you can then include a subsection under Understanding Community Gardens. You can see here that I have two subcategories, social benefits and ecological benefits. And now you can see that there. So you would continue doing that for all the different sections. You would also start writing the paragraph text within this. Each time you do it, you want to update your portfolio. And then when you're ready to share it, actually that didn't do it, it seems to have saved already. When you're ready to share it, you'll just go back to Portfolios, Created by Me. You click it, and then there's two options here, Share with all Dragonfly. You'll do that at the very end of the course. You don't need to do that now because you're still editing it. And once you do this, it'll become searchable within Dragonfly only, not on Google, not on the World Wide Web. But what you can do initially, just so you have a link and you can share with other members of your group and class and your instructor and such, you'll share with individuals, and instead of adding all their emails, just add your own. And go ahead and click Share. And it'll just take a moment, and then it will come through to your email. And once it comes through to your email, you will have an invitation from Kevin Madison there. You will have this email, and it'll have this link. And this is the link you will be able to share with people looking at it. All right, that's it. Take care.